So what I have today is not another Cherokee video, but I have come in possession of a Commodore VIC-20 from 1980. And I bought it for about $75. And I did open it earlier. It's very dirty, but the box seems to be very intact. It's not that bad. You see, so let's open it. And this is it. It comes, well, the original one comes with a manual and all that, but this one I got came with this brochure, The Wonder Computer of the 1980s. And if you open it, I only have two hands here, of course, but if you open it, the first full-feature color computer under $300. And it shows everything from the guides, the cassette, modem, printer, and even a disk drive. It tells you everything. This isn't the manual, I don't have that, but on the back it shows you all the software, all the ports, expansion, tells you the features, and then that's it for the brochure. So let me put that to the side, and this is the computer. As you can see, if I turn on my flash, it is very dirty. It is yellowed a little bit, and I don't even like touching it, because every time I do touch it, I can feel dust lift with off on my fingers. And for some reason there's a poke command. So I'm gonna have to see if this thing works. And yeah, let me get out of the box. So this is the computer by itself. You can definitely see where, turn off my flash. It's yellow here. I don't know how well you can see it, but it's yellowed up here. But if I turn it upside down, you can see the original color. It's white. And have the model number, have all the other badging. You have all 4 feet, which I think they may have been replaced at some point. But yeah, flip it back over. There's the nameplate, power. Here is the side with the on and off button, power port, control port. Here is the back, that's where the cartridges will go. And here's user ports. I don't have the cable right now. To connect it to the TV, I'm going to have to order that. But here's the other side of it. It's not that interesting. You can actually see the yellowing from here to here. So I'm going to hit this with some Windex. And see if that does anything for it. So here it is before, and whenever you see it next, it should be cleaned up. Alright, that's it afterwards. After with just a regular paper towel and some Windex. You can see how dirty this is. From the seller, she said that it's been sitting in her storage room untested for years. And so we're gonna see if it works. You can still see there's plenty of dust in between the keys, but I'm gonna have to take these out. I'm gonna have to retrobrite this once I get it working. But I can actually touch it. It's not as bad, but alright, let's power it on, or try to. Okay, so this power supply has a crack in it. Pretty hefty crack. So I don't know if it's gonna work. I don't even know if it's safe to try this, but I may have to order another one as well. But it's definitely for the Commodore. But we'll have to see. I'll plug it in real quick. And let's see if it does anything. Nothing. Like I figured. And so it's most likely this. But I'm still gonna take it apart, or just take the case off. So let's do that now. So I'm gonna take the case off now. It's only these 3 screws that hold the case on, and it's held in by clips. There's something rattling around in there, and I have it on bubble wrap so it doesn't scratch. So I think these feet have been replaced. It's hard to tell, but these screws are coming out. This machine may have been protected, or was most likely protected inside the storage room, but it's definitely seen some sun because of the top. So let me get these off real quick. Alright, there are the 3 screws. As soon as I tip this over to let the screws fall out, a lot of dust came out. So let me see here. Ooh. What the hell happened here? That's nasty. Looks like somebody glued this together. Okay, I see one problem already. The fuse here is blown. So I want to know what that is. That's horrible. Let me get this case off real quick. Clearly somebody's been in here once, because this clip's already snapped. And that isn't factory. Alright, so to get this off, you first have to pull the keyboard plug. Let me see if I can do this one-handed. If not, I'm not gonna. Jesus. Somebody did something here, because none of this is factory. What happened? Jeez. These wires here aren't factory. I don't know what somebody did, but they butchered it. Alright, so this is pulled off, and now we need to get this LED out somehow. With, let me see if I can, there we go. And now the top is disconnected. I'm going to set this down, and we're going to focus on this. Okay, this is a mess. What happened? This is so nasty. This is like glue. No, that's another fuse. The hell? Let's see. What did they do to this poor machine? Jesus. Like, this is bad. Oh, I see. It looks like they upgraded the machine. Because if you look real closely, if it would focus. Come on, focus. There we go. Anyways, under, like, right here is a RAM chip. And this is another one. Let's see. They spliced the RAM together. Like, I don't know when this was done, but that's bad. I'm pretty sure this isn't how you expand the RAM on this machine. Alright, let me, luckily for this machine, I have an old VCR that finally quit working, and there's a fuse for it that fits perfectly. So let me see if I can get that real quick. Okay, so this is, somebody soldered this to the fuse. So, let me turn that flash off real quick, there we go. Somebody soldered the fuse to this. So I don't know if... We're gonna see. We're gonna see real quick. So let me get the other one and get it in. Get it in, and then we'll plug the computer up and see. Okay, not so lucky anymore. The fuse I had in the VCR is blown as well for some reason. And I know that's not why it stopped working, because one of the resistors stopped and it was just fine whenever I unplugged it. So I don't know what happened. But I'm gonna have to go pick up some fuses. This is disgusting. I'm gonna plug this back in for now, and I'll get back to you whenever I get some fuses. So basically what happened was there was supposed to be more video, but half of it was corrupted. So now here I am. Basically, I went to the store and couldn't find the fuse I needed, so this video will have to wait. And tomorrow being Christmas, I will probably have to wait another day. I did ask the seller the background of this machine though, and she told me it was owned by an astrophysics professor, and he tinkered with electronics including motherboards. This would explain the modified RAM. She came into possession of it when she was managing his estate sale for his family after he died. It was powered on a year ago and left in storage ever since. I will try to have a part 2 out sometime next week and see if I can get it to at least power on. Stay safe and have a very Merry Christmas. Goodbye.